Hello children, let's start our English lesson. Let's talk. Okay, this is our English lesson. Let's talk. It is the first class, first lesson from first term. Okay Nana? Now, let's talk. Oja and Ira are in the park. They are playing with a ball. Oja and Ira are in the park. They are playing with a ball. Okay? Oja throws the ball into the bush. Ira runs towards the bush. She finds something moving in the bush. Now what is a bush? This is a bush. Okay. What is this? This is a bush. So Oja and Ira both were playing with a ball. The ball was thrown far away and it went to the bush. Now see, you are seeing that bush is moving now. Now, what is this? Ira asked. What is this? This is a bush. Oja says, this is a bush. Then, is there a dog in the bush? Ira asks, is there a dog in the bush? Oja says, no, there is not. There is a puppy in the bush. There is a puppy in the bush. Now, what is puppy? The baby of a dog is called puppy. Okay? Now, let us go into the lesson. Ira and Oja. Now, Ira asks, what is that? Oja says, that is a tree. Then Ira asks, is that a mango tree? No, that is not. That is an apple tree. No, that is not. That is an apple tree. Now, one thing you should remember, Nana. If anything is very close to you, any object is very close to you, then you must say that this is a pen, this is a book, this is a bag, this is a glass. But if the object is very far from you, you must say that is a pen, that is a book, that is a bag, that is a glass. Okay? Now see here, where is Ira? Ira is standing here. Okay? And where is the tree? This is the tree. Right? Where is Oja? Oja is standing very far from the tree. Are they both close to the tree? No, they are far from the tree, right? So, that's why she is asking what is that? She is not asking what is this. What is that? Okay? Next. Wow, flower, no? We all know it is a flower. Now, what is this? Iras. Okay? What is this? Iras. This is a flower, Oja replies. Now, where are Oja and Ira? They are close to the flower. See how close they are to the flower? They are not far, no? This is far. This is far. Okay? But this is close. Okay, Nana? So, since they are far, we say, since the flower is close, they say, what is this? They say, what is this? This is a flower. Is this a tulip flower? No, it is not. This is not a tulip flower. This is a red rose. What rose? Red rose. No, this is not. This is a red rose. Wow, butterfly, right? Now, what is that? Iras. Now see, where is Ira? Ira is very far from the butterfly, no? Where is Ira? Ira is very far from the butterfly. So, she is asking what is that? Okay? Now, that is a butterfly. That is a butterfly. Now, where is Oja? Oja also is very far from the butterfly. So, that's why she is saying that is a butterfly. Okay, Nana? Next. Is it colorful? Is the butterfly colorful? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Okay. Now let us go further. Now let us see this. Oja and Ira were playing. Then their mother called them from the balcony of the house. They ran home. Ira went to the kitchen and hugged her mother. Ira came to the kitchen and she hugged her mother. Hugged ante vaateskundanamata. Okay? What was the mother doing? The mother was cutting vegetables. See here. What is the mother doing, Nana? Here she is cutting vegetables. See? Okay. So, Ira goes and asks. You people always ask lot of questions, no? So, Ira also likes to ask questions. She was asking, what are these? ఇప్పుడు these ఎప్పుడు వాడతాం? When there is plural form. Okay. Now, for example, if you have one pen, you say this is a pen. If you have two pens, you say these are pens. Okay. So, these and those are used for plural forms. Plural forms ante when you have ఒక్క వస్తువు కన్నా ఎక్కువ వస్తువులు సేమ్ ఐటమ్ ఎక్కువ నంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఐటమ్స్ ఉంటే దాన్ని ప్లూరల్ ఫామ్ అంటాం. మీరు చిన్నప్పుడు యూకేజీలో చదివారు కదా, పెన్ పెన్స్, చైర్ చైర్స్, అలాగే ఇది కూడా. ఓకే. సో హియర్ చాలా వెజిటేబుల్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, చూడండి ఇక్కడ. యూ హ్యావ్ tomato, you have brinjal, you have bitter gourd, you have potato. See, tomato, brinjal. See on the table, potato, bitter gourd. Okay, so there are so many vegetables. That's why Ira was asking, what are these? Then the mother says, these are vegetables. What are these? These are vegetables. Okay, Nana? These are vegetables. Then, are these raw vegetables? Because vegetables are always raw kada. Raw ante వండకుండా పచ్చి కూరగాయలు అన్నమాట. ఆర్ దీస్ రా వెజిటేబుల్స్? వండిన కూరగాయలు మనం ఏమంటాం? కర్రీ అంటాం. అవునా? వండిన కూరగాయని మనం కర్రీ అంటాం. సో ఇది రా వెజిటేబుల్స్ కాబట్టి ఆర్ దీస్ రా వెజిటేబుల్స్ అని అడిగింది మమ్మీని. ఎస్ దీస్ ఆర్. ఎస్ దీస్ ఆర్. ఓకే. నౌ see, Ira looked into the dining room, and in the dining room she found fruits. See, these are the fruits. See, these are fruits. Okay. Now, what are those on the dining table? She asked her mother. What are those on the dining table? Now, why is she telling those? Because the dining table is very far from Ira. See how far the dining table is? The dining table is very far from Ira. Right? Here vegetables are very close to Ira. Right? Here vegetables are very close to Ira. See? Vegetables are close to Ira. And dining table is very far from Ira. So that's why she is telling, what are those on the dining table? Then the mother says, those are fruits. Those are fruits. Now see, there are so many fruits. Right? So many fruits are there. Apple is there, grapes are there, orange is there, pomegranate is there, green apple is there, strawberry is there. So many fruits are there. If that would have been only one mango on the table, what is that on the dining table? What is that fruit on the dining table? అని అడిగేది ఈరా. ఇక్కడ చాలా ఫ్రూట్స్ ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి she is asking, what are those on the dining table? Then the mother says, those are fruits. Then Ira asks, are those fruits stale? Are those stale fruits? Then mother says, no, those are not. Those are fresh fruits. No, those are not. Those are fresh fruits. ఇప్పుడు stale అంటే ఏంటి? అంతే కదా? Fresh కి opposite stale. Good కి opposite bad కదా? Fresh కి opposite stale అన్నమాట. Fresh అంటే ఏంటి? ఇప్పుడు మీరు అప్పటికప్పుడు చెట్టు మీద నుంచి కోసుకొని జామకాయ తెచ్చారనుకోమ్మా, అది ఫ్రెష్ ఫ్రూట్. జామకాయ చెట్టు మీద నుంచి కోస్తారు కదా, జామకాయ చెట్టు మీద కోసినప్పుడు అది ఫ్రెష్ ఫ్రూట్ అన్నమాట. ఓకే. అదే మీరు ఒక ఫ్రూట్ ని కోసి 3-4 days మీ ఇంట్లో అలా పెట్టుకొని 5వ రోజు మీరు తిన్నారనుకో, దాన్ని స్టేల్ ఫ్రూట్ అంటారు. ఓకే. మీన్స్ ద ఫ్రూట్ విచ్ ఇస్ నాట్ ఫ్రెష్, దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ స్టేల్ ఫ్రూట్. Now, look at these pictures and read the sentences. Who is this? I'm a boy. Who is this? I'm a boy. And who is this? This is Jessica. I am Jessica. Okay? What are they doing? They are playing, right? Mac and Jessica are playing. Mac and Jessica are playing. Now who is Mac? Mac is Jessica's brother. Who is Mac? Mac is Jessica's brother. So in this lesson you have learnt about the usage of that, those, these, nana and this. Okay? And you have learned how to read small sentences. Now stay home, stay safe. Again and again see this video. Try to understand and listen to your mommy and daddy. Okay? Bye, Nana.